Good day. Welcome to Teacher Ariel TV. Today, you are going to learn about dividing two digit by one digit number. Division is the process of splitting a number into equal parts and finding out how many parts can be made. Let's look at the number sentence. 20 divided by 5. The number 20 here is what we call the dividend. The number 5 here is what we call the divisor. And the number 4 here is what we call the quotient. Let's answer this. 15 divided by 3. First, write the problem using a long division symbol like this. Take the first digit of the dividend, which is 1. Since 1 is smaller than the divisor 3, we cannot divide it. Therefore, we have to take the following digit of the dividend, which is 5. Now, we are searching for a number which, when multiplied by 3, gives us 15. We will recall the multiplication table of 3 to help you divide faster. We will use 3 times 5 equals 15. We write the 5 above the 5. Then multiply 3 times 5 equals 15. Write 15 below the 15. Subtract 15 minus 15 equals 0. The quotient of 15 divided by 3 is 5. Another example. 24 divided by 6. First, write the problem using a long division symbol like this. Next, take the first digit of the dividend, which is 2. Since 2 is smaller than the divisor 6, we cannot divide it. Therefore, we have to take the following digit of the dividend, which is 4. Now, we are searching for a number which, when multiplied by 6, gives us 24. We will recall the multiplication table of 6 to help you divide faster. We will use 6 times 4. We write the 4 above the 4. Now, multiply 6 times 4. 6 times 4 equals 24. We write 24 below the 24. Subtract 24 minus 24 equals 0. Since we are not left with any digits of the dividend to drop down, we are finished. So the quotient is 4. Another example. 92 divided by 4. First, write the problem using a long division symbol like this. First, take the first digit of the dividend, which is 9. How many 4 will it take to 9, or almost? We will recall the multiplication table of 4 to help you divide faster. We need to take the number that is closest without going over. Now, we will use 4 times 2 equals 8. Write the 2 above the 9. Now, multiply 4 times 2 equals 8. Write 8 below the 9. Now, subtract 9 minus 8 equals 1. Next, bring down the digit 2 in the dividend. So, it becomes 12. Find how many times 4 goes into 12. We will use the multiplication table of 4 to help you divide faster. So, we will use 4 times 3 equals 12. Now, we write the 3 above the 2. Then, we will multiply 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Now, we subtract 12 minus 12 equals 0. Since we are not left with any digits of the dividend to drop down, we are finished. So, the quotient is 23. Another example, 85 divided by 5. First, write the problem using a long division symbol like this. Next, take the first digit of the dividend, which is 8. So, how many 5 will it take to 8 or almost? We will use the multiplication table of 5 to help you divide faster. We need to take the number that is closest without going over. Now, we will use 5 times 1. 5 times 1 equals 5. We write the 1 above the 8. Now, multiply 5 times 1. 5 times 1 equals 5. Write 5 below the 8. Now, subtract 8 minus 5 equals 3. Next, bring down the digit 5 in the dividend. So it becomes 35. We will use the multiplication table of 5. We will use 5 times 7 equals 35. We write the 7 above the 5. Then, we will multiply 5 times 7. 5 times 7 equals 35. We write 35 below the 35. Now, we subtract 35 minus 35 equals 0. Since we are not left with any digits of the dividend to drop down, we are finished. So, the quotient is 17. Quiz time! Let's answer this. You only have 10 seconds to answer. 18 divided by 2. Start now. Time's up. The answer is 9. Another. 21 divided by 7. Time's up. The answer is 3. 16 divided by 4. Times up. The answer is 4. 40 divided by 8. Times up. The answer is 5. 42 divided by 6. Times up. The answer is 7. 54 divided by 3. Times up. The answer is 18. 84 divided by 4. Times up. The answer is 21. 95 divided by 5. Times up. The answer is 19. 72 divided by 6. Times up. The answer is 12. 98 divided by 7. Times up. The answer is 14. That's all for now. I hope you enjoy learning about dividing 2-digit number by 1-digit number. Thanks for watching.